Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to create cloth simulation in Unreal Engine. So we will create this cloth in Marvelous Designer. After that we are going to insert this cloth in Unreal Engine. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, we need to insert our meta human character. From window, we can go to Quixel Bridge. After that, we can download our character, meta human. So we will see here any character from those, or we can download our character. So I have my own character without any shirt, without any clothes. Okay, so we can download it from here. Okay, after that we can add to our project. Okay, because I have downloaded already. So if you look here, meta human, so girl, okay, without any clothes, like that. So now our character without anything. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we need to convert this character with to static mesh. From actor we can convert it for a static mesh, but if you look here, we have hair and we have something like that. So we need to convert just head and body. So we can come to this area. After that we can choose body. Okay, after that we can go to this area. Okay, find this one. After that we can drag and drop body. Second step, we need to search about head. So face and find face, drag and drop. So now we have head and body without anything. So we can go to location, reset. So we can go to frame number 0. Okay, and we can make convert actor to static mesh, actors to static mesh. Okay, and we need to create Marvelous. Okay, what is the name of it? We can rename it test ch1. Okay, character number 1, save. Okay, after that we need to right click on it and asset, export. After that we can choose any folder, desktop for example. Okay, ch1 and export. Okay, so reset, we don't need vertex, we don't need a level of detail. Okay, export source mesh, export morph target, preview mesh and map. Okay, so now choose all of them, export. After that we need to go to Marvelous Designer and we need to new project. So now we will import our avatar, add avatar. Okay, and we need to go to desktop. After that we need to go to character number 1. Okay, choose FPX, add. Okay, so to make sure we have centimeter as studio and align to bottom. Okay, and okay, so now we have our character without anything. So I have a lot of tutorial for Marvelous Designer. Now I am going to add any shirt, for example, like that. Okay, and okay, select all of them and come here, put it here. Okay, just and press space. Okay, you can drag and drop. Okay, here like that. We can make it a little bit like that. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, so now nice. Okay, so now we have a nice, or you can insert any type of clothes. For example, we can insert this one here. Okay, so we can make it a little bit, okay, something like that, and here. Okay, nice. If you want to put it a little bit like that. Okay, so easy to play with Marvelous Designer setting. So now if you look here in this area, we can show our wireframe, for example, like that. Okay, now if we select this area, okay, we will see here, sorry. So now if you look here in this area, look, we can look for distance. We can increase or decrease the mesh, okay? If we make it 15, okay, now look, we can increase it a little bit. If we make it 25, we make 30. Now we can make it 20, okay, and select all of them. Make sure you go to UV editor and make sure all of them in this square. If they are here in this area like that, okay, select all of them and come to this area and make sure padding like that. Okay, apply. So now all of them here in this area. After that, we can select all of them and go to file and export USD. So desktop ch1, and we can ch1 marvelous. Okay, we can choose USDA file. Okay, save mesh material. Okay, after that select all pattern, select avatar. Okay, multiple object, and we can choose thick and UV. After that, we can make sure include garment simulation data. Okay, so after we start our Unreal Engine, we need to create any folder. Okay, so new folder 1, and we need to create a basic asset. Okay, so from here, close asset. Okay, so we can rename it ch1. Okay, insert our character. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the very important node here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we don't need any one else. Okay, so here, if you look here, we have import our USD. Okay, from here, select, and we need to insert our USDA file from Marvelous Designer. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, we can, if you look here, we have our UV, and we can choose like that. Okay, or we can go to 2D. We can choose transfer skin weight. Okay, and we need to choose our character, meta human character. So if mid underscore body. Third step, okay, we need to play with weight. Before we do this step, we need to go to preview. Okay, if we look here, details and preview, we need to choose preview, and we need to choose our character. Okay, here. So now this is our character, and we can choose any animation. Okay, walk in place, for example. Walk. Okay, so now if you look here, our character is moving without any simulation. Now we need to add simulation here in this area. Okay, so we can go to this area, paint max distance, and we need to click here. Okay, now if you look here, we have black area. It means we don't have any simulation data in this area, so we need to invert this one, go operation and invert, so all of them they are white. So look here, the simulation without any okay, we can repeat, so we can make pause and repeat this area. So now we can paint this area to be black to make nice simulation. So now we can choose this one, and we can choose brush, and we can choose paint. So we can't draw here any black. Why? Because we need to come attribute value to make it 0. Okay, so now we can make like that, or we can choose poly lasso and we can draw like that. Okay, like that in the middle. Okay, sorry, undo. Sorry. After that we can go to brush and we can make smooth, okay, like any 2D program. Okay, smooth. Okay, smooth this area and this area, accept. Now if we come to this area and make this one, look, now our character simulation in this area. Okay, we can play, look, so now the simulation is working, but we don't have any collide. So after that we need to go to set physics asset, and we need to choose our character. Okay, choose this area, and we can go to mid underscore body physics. Okay, so now if you look here, we can reset and look, amazing. But now if you look here in this area, we will see here we have problem here in this area. Look here and this area. So we are going to resolve this problem to make this mesh to be collide. So after that we can go to meta human and our character. Okay, open our blueprint. So we this is our character. Now we can add chaos. So we can choose body chaos. Okay, chaos close component. Okay, after that we can choose our simulation. So if you look here, we have this one. Okay, ch1, this is our project. Now we can go to this area. Okay, close asset, we need to choose ch1. Okay, now this is our character. Okay, we can assign any material here, for example this one. Okay, we have any material like that. Okay, this one. Okay, compile, save. Okay, after that, so now this is our character. We can come here and make simulation. Look, our character is working nice. But if you look here, we have problem here in this area and in this area. Look here, we have a problem. In the next video we are going to speak about how to resolve this problem. Look here in this area and in this area. Look here, how to resolve this problem. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.